What psychological techniques work in environmental education? Imagine inspiring someone to care about the planet so deeply they want to protect it. That's the power of the right psychological techniques in environmental education. When working in wildlife and conservation careers, these methods can make a real difference. One key technique is emotional engagement. When people feel connected to nature, they are more likely to act responsibly. Outdoor activities like field trips or wildlife observation help build this bond. Longer experiences, such as residential programs lasting several days, create stronger feelings of connection and commitment. Experiential learning is another effective approach. Hands-on activities like habitat restoration or caring for animals allow learners to see the impact of their actions firsthand. This practical involvement helps them remember what they learn and encourages them to keep caring. For example, volunteers planting native trees or participating in wildlife surveys gain skills and develop emotional ties to the animals and ecosystems they help protect. Social influence also plays a big role. When people see their friends or peers practicing sustainable behaviors, they are more likely to follow suit. Creating a community that values conservation helps reinforce positive habits. In animal care jobs, fostering a team culture of responsible animal stewardship encourages everyone to stay committed to ethical practices. Addressing values and attitudes is another powerful technique. When education programs encourage reflection on human impacts and ethical responsibilities, participants often develop stronger pro-environmental beliefs. Talking about how caring for animals and ecosystems aligns with personal values can motivate ongoing conservation efforts. Interactive tools like serious games or digital simulations also work well. These tools make learning about ecosystems and wildlife fun and engaging. They can show how human actions affect animals and habitats, making the consequences clear without needing real-life experiments. For example, a game might simulate habitat loss and challenge players to find solutions, reinforcing the importance of conservation. Reinforcing positive behaviors through feedback and rewards helps turn knowledge into action. Recognizing volunteers for their efforts or setting achievable goals encourages ongoing participation. This approach keeps motivation high and habits consistent over time. Finally, involving families and communities in environmental education spreads awareness across generations. When entire groups learn and act together, conservation becomes a shared goal. This collective effort helps sustain wildlife and natural habitats for years to come. In summary, combining emotional bonds, hands-on experiences, social support, value-based reflection, interactive tools, and positive reinforcement creates a powerful mix. These techniques help build empathy, skills, and motivation, making careers in animal care and conservation more effective and rewarding.